Ni.
Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, ar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Kurmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kaiphot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki doktor kila Pyndep ya ke postmortem ya ke met jong uba tropimus khong maulo bat ki pulit kila tep Biang ya ke met jong u hau lum jing tep sinong jong ka sinong pender kala simpor kumbal laikin ta tamban Pyndep ya ke postmortem bat mentala apsa tangka Kaiphot ban tep la ka de ka jingyap na ka jingsa bom sa tiet ne ka de ka jingyap na ka jingbam yet ki pulit bat ki doktor kila mino na ka sinong penter hadin bekila Pyndep ya ke kam jong ki.
Thế bây giờ đã sạc. Itu apa dia lawan? Pajit mu? Mortem berapa? Zoom aja kan clear.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.